Okay, it says Miss Sue is making cookies. The ratio of walnuts to raisins she bakes into each cookie is 3 to 5. So it's walnuts to raisins, and the ratio is 3 to 5. This is your walnuts, this is your raisins. If Miss Sue decides to bake giant cookies, which of the following shows the possible number of ingredients in each cookie? So I know I'm originally starting off with a ratio of 3 to 5. And what's being asked is which of these is an equivalent ratio. So we're going to look at A, and I'm going to label it walnuts and raisins, and that's 3 to 5. Now for A, it says that you got 12 raisins and 20 walnuts. You got to put these in the correct place. So the 12 right here, and then the 20 goes with the walnuts. And you want to know if those are equivalent or not. So then we're going to look at B. We're going to set them all up first. We're going to say walnuts to raisins. We're going to label them. It's very, very important. 3 to 5. And we got 36 raisins. So the 36 goes with the raisins. Put the raisins on bottom. And 60 walnuts. Okay, and you're trying to figure out, are these equivalent ratios? For C, you got 25 raisins to 15 walnuts, and we're going to use that original ratio first. I'm going to say walnuts to ratio. I'm sorry, walnuts to raisins, and it's 3 to 5. And I've got 25 raisins and 15 walnuts. And then here, walnuts to raisins is 3 to 5. And we're going to say you've got 20 raisins and 15 walnuts. And you're trying to see which one of these is equal. Now, there are some that we can automatically get rid of. Like if you're looking at A, looking at the second fraction, this is larger on top than it is on bottom. Here you got it smaller on top than it is on bottom. So A is automatically out just for that pure fact. Same thing here. This is smaller. You got a smaller amount of walnuts than you do raisins. Here it's saying you got more walnuts than you do raisins. So this is out. We're not going to have more walnuts. We're going to have more raisins. Okay, so right here, both of these, you got less walnuts than you do raisins. Okay, now we're going to check and see which one is equivalent. Well, I'm going to say, how can I go from 5 to 25? Multiply by 5. So I got to keep it balanced. Multiply by 5. Yes, this does work out. Let's go ahead and check D. How do you go from 5 to 20? Multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. Well, if I did 3 times 4, that would be 12, not 15. So this one does not work out. So it should be 15 walnuts and 25 raisins, which is C.